Should put your Hi, just one. Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out how.
But the registrar pod doesn't open. It's just a.
All the time.
Yes, I can. Just a minute.
What? Yeah, this is a food. Alright.
Good try, baby.
Dinking it?
Sinking it.
Sink it. Well, best pizza ever? Best pizza ever.
Yeah. Because of the good stuff.
We got
And the freshness.
We got pickles, drizzled with dill ranch dressing, and sausage. Tape. loaded potato popcorn. Go for it.
Think
Sink
it.
it, sink it.
Pretty good.
Taste the cheese, sour cream.
Yeah.
Hi.
See? They kind of have tails like dogs. On the bottom.
Hi, baby.
They might have orders.
Hi, baby. The sweetheart, huh? Here you go, buddy. Thank you. Dink it, sink it. This is the chamoy pickle loaded snow cone. This one is the Coke float snow cone. Has vanilla ice cream in the bottom portion here. Coke flavored snow cone, whipped cream with cherry. Delicious on this hot summer day. It's about 110. Much needed.